All right. In relation with the breaking update that is now coming in with the Kerala story of fresh PIL, we are told that has now been filed seeking protection for the moviegoers and also seeking security for the theatre screening of the Kerala story, the movie, as they have been now apprehending that the law and order responsibility is that of the states, and the PIL has now been seeking lifting of the ban also in the state of West Bengal. This PIL now has been filed on a day when the Supreme Court will be hearing a plea challenging a ban in West Bengal filed by the producers. This is another development now coming to light as far as this fresh FIL that is now seeking protection for the moviegoers, because we've been seeing right in West Bengal, right in the middle of the movie while it was being screened, the West Bengal police barged into the movie theatres and had forcibly stopped the screening of the movie in one of those theatre halls as well. So now here is the PIL which is seeking security for the theatre screening the story, the Kerala story, the movie. Let me go across to Harish now. Harish, good morning. The PIL, the hearing we are told that will be taking place in the court in a short while from now. What is this latest PIL all about?
Yes, Amita, good morning. Now, in fact, petitions are piling up in Supreme Court. Now, a fresh PIL has been filed by Supreme Court lawyers Vineet Dhanda and Puneet Kaur. They have sought protection for not only the moviegoers who wish to watch the movie, the Kerala story, but also multiplexes and theatre which are ready to screen it. Remember, this petition comes in view of the ban imposed in West Bengal and several restrictions likely to happen in Kerala, and also a de facto ban in Tamil Nadu, where the government has issued an alert warning the theatres that they will be responsible for whichever untoward incident happened, after which several cinemas are not screening the movie. So this particular PIL seeks protection for the cinegoers and also the multiplexes who are wishing to screen the movie, and also says that the state cannot wash its hands off, saying because law and order is ensuring law and order is the duty of the state. They cannot ban a movie citing law and order problems and disturbance to peace and harmony as done by the Mamata government in West Bengal. This fresh petition will be mentioned before Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud at 10:30 a.m. because he will be later in the day hearing the petition filed by the movie producers who have challenged the ban imposed by the West Bengal government. The producers have raised several issues, saying that the West Bengal Cinema Regulation Act, using which the movie has been banned, is manifestly arbitrary insofar as it gives unfettered, unguided powers to the state government to ban a movie at a time when a statutory body like Central Board of Film Certification, that is CBFC, has already cleared the movie. The producers have also cited that the state cannot create a hypothetical situation and say that law and order may be disturbed, peace and harmony may be disturbed, but if it happens, state has to intervene and protect the moviegoers and the multiplexes. They have also very significantly raised the issue of freedom of speech and expression. It is at such a time that fresh PILs are being filed in Supreme Court seeking lifting of the ban and also protection
Harish,
for
I'm
the
told that
Mr.
Vineet Dhanda is with us here on the phone line. Sir, good morning. Can you hear me?
Good morning to you, ma'am. I can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Can you tell us about the latest PIL with regard to the movie Kerala story that you have filed on the day when the court will be hearing up the matter as far as the ban in West Bengal is concerned, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, the Kerala story is a highlight to a serious problem. It's a true story which shows that as to how are the daughters of Hindu religion and Christianity are converted to a particular religion. They are brainwashed, tortured, and then they are made to join terrorist organizations to work against the country. So the actual problem I have addressed to the Honorable Supreme Court, that there is nothing being done in the state of West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and this problem of forceful conversion is spreading like a wildfire. It has to be controlled, and it can only be controlled with the intervention of Honorable Supreme Court.
But Mr. Vineet, when it comes to such a law and order, situation that is being assumed by the West Bengal Sarkar, there haven't been any such incidences that have been reported so far, even when it comes to the state of Tamil Nadu as well, where theatre owners are themselves not screening the movie.
Exactly, ma'am. The state is just trying to appease a particular section of the society. And the truth, they don't want that the truth should be shown to the people as to how the forceful conversions are happening, how our daughters of our country are being tortured, brutalized, raped, and they are being forced to convert to a particular religion and then join terrorist organizations. The main thing which these governments are trying to do is just to appease a particular section of the society and infringe the rights of everybody.
So what are you expecting from the Supreme Court, sir?
Ma'am, I will be mentioning this matter today in the morning.
All right.
And then we'll leave it to Honorable Supreme Court, because there are other prayers also regarding making the movie tax-free in these particular states, especially Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, everything.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Vineet Dhanda, who is one of the petitioners there filing this PIL and asking for security as far as the moviegoers also is concerned, who will be watching the movie The Kerala Story. However, the ban that in the state of West Bengal that it has now been imposed is being challenged by the movie makers, and the matter shortly will be taken up in the Supreme Court. Harish, for the moment, thank you very much.